Hello everyone. Take a section of the hair from the front and then make a braid out of it. Take another section right underneath it, tie it up all together. Make a ponytail at the bottom and then begin to braid the hair. Make a fishtail braid. Once you are done with this, roll the braid upwards. Next, start off by tying a section of the hair up in the front. Roll the hair in on itself. After this, you will add a ribbon to it. Start off by tying a knot and then put the ribbon through. Using the ribbon as one of the sections, make a braid out of it. Do this on the other side as well and then tie a ponytail at the back. Tie two braids and roll it up, tie a bow at the back. Next, start off by tying a ponytail on one of the sides, make a section and then tie a rubber band in the middle of the section, roll the hair in on itself. Make a division, put the other section through, lift it up and make a cute little bow shape. Add a rubber band in the middle and then using your fingers, spread it out a little bit. Do this until you reach the bottom. Next, start off by combing the hair into a ponytail. Now, add a ribbon through this ponytail, divide the hair into two parts. Using this ribbon as one of the sections, make a braid out of it. Make two braids. Roll these braids upwards and then make a bun shape out of it. Tie a knot. Add some clips once you are done for decorative purposes. Next, start off by taking a fancy designer ribbon and then take a section from the front of the scalp. Use this to make a braid out of it. Use this as a section as part of your braid. Join it at the back. Tie a bow once you are done. Next, start off by sectioning the front of the hair, add multiple rubber bands to it. Take a section at the back and tie a rubber band to it. Roll the hair upwards. Using a bun stick, roll it up and make a bun out of it, adjust the hair accordingly. Make two braids at the bottom. Add a decorative rubber band. Next, start off by taking a section off the top of the scalp and then tie a rubber band to it. Divide this into two sections and then begin to braid the hair. As you progress with the braid, add more and more sections to the braid. Join them at the back as such and lift them up and tie it together. Next, divide the hair into three sections. Divide the bottom as well into three sections and tie three ponytails out of it. Lift it up and tie it up as such after adding multiple rubber bands. At the top, add a thin ribbon through. Using the ribbons as one of the sections, make a braid out of it. This is what it should begin to look like. Roll it up and then make a bun out of it. Do this on either side. Next, start off by sectioning the front of the hair and then braid the hair. Do this on the other side as well, join it at the back. Take two more sections of the hair and join it at the back. Repeat this process until you reach the bottom, add multiple rubber bands. Next, start off by dividing the hair into four portions. At the top, make a ponytail, roll the ponytail in on itself. Add a ribbon through and then make this shape out of it. Using a ribbon as one of the sections, make a braid out of it. Join them together to make a heart shape. Thank you for watching.